Hello, welcome to this video on setting up a Forex demo account with HugosWay. First, we want to go to HugosWay.com. From there, we will hit download MT4. After that's finished downloading, select it and hit run. Next. And as soon as this finishes, hit finish. This will open up the application for you once it's all ready. It gives you the option to open up a demo account or a real account here. So we will select demo, hit next, create a new demo account. In a future video, I will show you how to set up a real account. Enter your name, email address, and a phone number. You have an option to start at 5,000, 3,000, 10,000. I like to start at 10,000. You can keep the leverage at 500. You must agree to subscribe to the newsletters and hit next. We'll give you your password and investor name. You don't really need that. And that's it. You can begin trading from here. You have everything here, and you can see your account name is here. If you wanted to create another demo account or a real account, you can easily create that here as well. Thank you, and we'll be happy to see you in future videos. Thanks.